polar ice cap people shall not be conquered!
Hey Dad, listen, I have an idea. If we team up with Joe and his men, we have more of a chance of beating these guys.
Come on, Damien, be careful, man.
Joe, we can't let Hazard destroy their village.
I know, we're not.
What are you planning on doing?
Well, we've got to get to the village and help Damien defeat those tin cans. And we better do it soon or we may never see Damien again. Mike, come on!
Yeah, let's go.
Good luck, you two.
Okay, buddy boy, are you ready?
You got it.
Oh, dude! Uncool. Loser. Cool.
You know, you should never let them see you sweat, man.
Even after I refuse to help them, they're still willing to risk their lives to fight for my people.
Boy, Mike, I sure am lucky you know how to use this thing.
Yeah, me too.
Uh-oh, I think I'm short-circuiting here. Ah!
Get out of there!
Blast that cursed robot again! Destroy him! Retreat! Retreat!
My words can never repay you, but thank you.
Hey, the pleasure's all mine.
Does this mean that you'll allow us to station the Xenos 5 here for a while?
No, I'm sorry, I can't.
What?
As long as you are here, my people will be threatened. Here, take one of our engines. I believe it will provide you with all the power you need to get to Earth.
What do you mean we have to get to the planet Earth?
Yes, you must go there as soon as possible. There you will be able to find all the Coliseum you need to fuel your ship.
Earth.
All right, Princess, you get my personal tour.
Joe, I am going to stay here with these people.
Why?
I am staying here in the polar region to help these people reconstruct their village and protect it from Hazard's evil dominion. Don't worry, son. I know I'm doing the right thing.
I'll miss you.
Derek, you know no matter what, you can always count on us.
Oh, Father.
Thank you.
All right, Earth, here I come!
The Xenos 5 finally received the repairs it needed to leave Mars. However, no matter their course or station, Gratan is sure to find them. While in the polar region, it just keeps getting colder.
Came from space to save the rays of another galaxy. Only the Earth's teenage warriors can unleash the great ninja power. Our hero Joe will always go to where the greatest dangers lay, to fight for Earth, defeat Zaboom, chase the evil ones away. Ninja robots, the powers in you to protect the Earth. Ninja robots, fighting for right in the universe. And for Romina, the alien princess. Ninja robots, the powers in you. You're in the machine. Ninja robots, no matter how tough, you follow your dream. Someday we'll be back on the Earth together.
Hello out there! Hello out there! Is anybody listening? This is Commander Icelander speaking. King Rodorio has placed me in charge of his mission to find the Shree Ninjas. Has anybody seen them? They're kind of large, metallic flying objects. Some are yellow, some are blue. I'm not quite sure what they look like, But if you have any information, please reach me at Andromeda Outpost.